Okay, well, today is Thursday. We had our first day of school today. It was awesome. I'm planning on showing this to you Monday or Tuesday. We are going to try the breakout rooms today. And we're going to practice two things, the breakout rooms and warm-ups, very simple warm-up. In your breakout rooms, it's just like being in a table of four at school, putting you in groups where you can work together. And there's a couple of expectations and kind of agreements that we have with breakout rooms, very similar to being in the classroom. First of all, just like in the classroom, we treat each other with kindness and respect at all times. Okay, the purpose of working in groups is to help each other with the math. That's what we're here for, help each other with the math. When you get into the breakout room, you will unmute yourself. And today, what I'll have you do is, since this is the first time, I want you to go around the group and just say what your name is and how you like your name pronounced and the name of your elementary school. And yes, I did miss that typing right there. I can plug that in and put the R, so there we go. So yes, go around the group and say the name of your elementary school. Then I'm going to have you take each warm-up problem. You're going to do the warm-ups in a second. I'm going to show you what they are. You'll take each warm-up problem, and then you go around in the group and make sure you just agree on the answers. Don't give us the answer. You don't give each other the answers. See if you agree on the answers. Chances are, you probably will mostly agree, but also typically if there's a misconception, usually, oftentimes, more than one person has the same mistake. So talk that out and just see if you can see where those things happen. Okay, collaboratively see if you can find the misconception. I don't call them mistakes. I do call them misconceptions. Okay, and the last thing is I will drop by each group. I'm going to go by to each group and I'll check on the group dynamics and also to help you with any questions that you have. Okay, and as we practice the breakout rooms, we're going to make it very easy. We're doing it with an easy math topic, and that's going to be that of combining like terms, putting terms together. Now, I know this is for my algebra and geometry kids, that you're looking at this, and there's 4 x's here and 3 x's. If I were to ask you how many x's are there, I know you're all thinking to your head, I know this is so easy. The answer is 7. There are 7 x's. And yes, there are 7 x's, 4 x's there, and 3 x's there, for 7 altogether. But actually, a good answer for that, not a good answer, but an answer that's perfectly, if you didn't know better, makes a lot of sense. A lot of people have said, and a lot of adults will say this, they give the answer. When I say, how many x's are there? They say 2, because there's 1 x there, and there's 1 x there. That's a misconception. It's not wrong. It's a misconception. In math, we combine the number in front. This means multiplying when you do that. And all we're doing today is combining like terms, putting them together. The x's are like terms. So an example would be, there's no equal sign. We're just combining. It's very easy today. Look at all the h's, put them together, paying attention to the signs, and then add in the numbers at the end. So in this particular example, you have 8 h's minus 7. And that's all we're doing today, practicing combining terms. All right, so on a piece of paper, you will start writing. I got 6 warm-ups for you to do. They're right here. The 6 problems are here. We're just combining terms. Combine the n's here. Combine the x's, the f's, the m's, the t's, and the y's. Okay, so I'll come by, I'll let you get started, then I'll put you into your breakout groups, and I'll drop by and we'll see how we're doing on this. So there you go. And again, perfect timing, right at 4 minutes.